Yes, sir?
Yes, sir. I would like to buy one single stamp, my friend.
You want to buy one stamp?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One stamp, okay.
Thank you very much.
55 cents.
Or shit, 55, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Or shit, price go up since last time. Paid 29 cents last
The
time.
price went up 2 years ago.
Or shit, my friend. 29 cents to 55 is lot.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, here is up and pay your salary as well, my friend.
And then out of $1, 45 cents back. And your receipt right here. I don't know
you so
what
much,
this
my
is
friend.
for. Is there anything else that I can do for you?
Or I am done for now, my friend. Thank
All
you.
right, enjoy your day. Stay
Oh,
healthy.
thank you so much, my friend.
Hello, how may I be of service?
Hi, I have some questions.
Or shit. Today I have to pay for stamp 55 cents. I am surprised they did not charge me taxes for the stamp today.
To the plant, they have,
They are giving me change of 45
they have their own,
cents. Or shit. Last time I buy stamp it was 29 cents. Oh, very much, my friend. Very much.
which is what, what's the zip code?
This is too much for stamp. They got discount price at other place. Maybe I'd like to return.
9207. Manufacturer perishable, potentially hazardous about this, like the batteries or
shit, my friend.
no, it's just a sample. No. Alright, so if you send it, say like retail ground, and to River Spot, it's actually the same price as priority mail. See here, well, yeah, it's 1020, the same price. It would be there for priority going to this particular zip code in Riverside. Zip code and weight.
Can I just put this on the back of the truck? Would that be okay?
You can get a better calculation if you go to USPS.com. It'll show you the calculations that you can do.
Oh, perfect. Now, where would I put the shipping label? Or do you make the shipping label?
You would say like,
Because we have our own labels,
okay,
so we can make our own, but I don't know if you guys are able to ship it.
sure, we can. As long as your return address is in the upper left and the destination is in the middle.
Return address and destination?
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
no problem. Yes, sir? All right. Identification, please. Yes. I don't have enough. I'm a little short here. Let me see if there's anyone else that has it.
Celebration.
Do you have enough cashews? You do? All right. After this, customer, could you go to her, please? You will also need to have it filled out from you to yourself. All right? Here's a pen. You're welcome. Is there something else I can do for you, sir?
Or I was just looking at a race.
Okay, yes, ma'am, be of service.
It's a stamp that whenever you use it, they not.
That, and you want to send that.
That means like.
Did you want this certified? Okay.
So it's gonna be $48.12.
All right, so that's done.
Here, ask for help,
So,
then
you've
ignore
already
me.
gotten the envelope.
That
You're
was
sending it out.
very not nice, my friend.
Is it time sensitive? You need to get it there tomorrow. Right. Nothing? Red button. Excellent, thank you very much. Do you need insurance on it? Should be there by Tuesday. That is. Yes, here. Credit total $4.80.
Okay, so these are your
Excellent. Any additional services? All right.
the one should be there tomorrow. The big one.
So that'll be $15.20 back to you. $15.20. One moment for your receipt. And it's showing you that you're tracking it.
This is your part.
How do you do? Thank you for your patience. How may I help you? Okay, last time. Thank you. 4002? Yeah.
You see that violation? They're violating.
He told him to take the dog.
I told him. Because on him.
Yes.
We need to respect this.
This is not right.
Rapes are wrong as well. Also, they did not give me choice on stamp choice. I do not like this stamp over like other choices.
This is kind of prejudice to us.
I don't understand.
No, in our religion, he does this to us.
You are not giving us choices.
That is not right.
This is not right. And then he asked me if I need help.
And walk away.
Walk away. That's not right either.
Now he asked question and walk away.
Maybe someone else can help us. Nobody around that can help us.
I do not think so. They just stand and stare.
Nobody ask question or give answer.
Nobody. They just
Or
stand there.
Not even lady standing behind us has decency to ask us if everything is okay.
No, she's not.
Only standing behind us,
Just
wasting
staring.
company's time.
Listening to everything.
Listening to our conversation.
Listening
There
but
is
not
called
doing
eavesdropping.
That
That-
is very nosy, lady.
Yes,
Unless you're going to help.
yes. Very inappropriate. Now she is just standing there staring us from behind.
Trying to look at my film. Very unprofessional.
That is okay, I will document this. I will document this type of behavior.
We must report it.
We must
Neighborhood
report
watch.
it.
Neighborhood watch.
Now she was waving hello to camera and giving me the finger. She is giving me the finger.
Hey, crazy.
Oh my god,
Crazy individual we have here.
this is not professional.
Oh, what is this?
Can you help us with the stamp situation, ma'am? We only want to select or stamp. This is inappropriate.
Even when asked for help.
Oh shit, it is like talking to wall. Lady act like we are not standing here.
Like we are not humans.
Lady act like we have back turned to her. Or shit.
Oh shit. This man is questions.
Or shit, he is tired. Maybe he go home to take a nap. Lunchtime is nap time.
You need to increase the insurance on anyone. Anyone to sign
The
it?
next time,
Should be there by Monday.
that's for your packages.
Yes.
One question, ma'am. One question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I would like the stamp with the horse on it, not this one.
What on that?
The horse. You got stamp promotion with horse on it.
Where?
Doesn't come out till May 17th.
It is on the wall here.
Yeah, we don't have that
Till
one.
May 17th.
So
Or
that's gonna be in a May.
do you have any other stamp beside this one here? I would like a choice, please.
Yeah, for, you, so he sell you, so he can help you.
Or
Anyways, the
When you
stamps
sell-
are
stamps
the
are
final.
final.
So the stamp sales are final.
or should I pay 55 cents for this? I would like a choice. This is
No,
not fair.
because
This
you
is
can,
not
you can
justice.
purchase a book.
I do
you
not
can
appreciate the
purchase a
stamp. I would like one with American flag or something that
American flag, we
symbolizes.
can sell you, but that's a book.
Okay, I would like to buy different stamp with different style for 55 cents, please.
Sorry, sir?
I would like to buy one more stamp for different style.
Okay, different style I have for, the different style is this one, the woman books.
Or shit, do you have any others?
We have those, but those are books.
Or shit.
So it comes in a 20.
Give me
You
one
want
of
it?
this beautiful stamp then. I would love a stamp like this one.
So just a one?
Just one stamp, please. I am only sending one letter.
Be there by Monday as well.
Now they are robbing me 110 cents. 110 cents. This is twice. I would only like choice next time I want to buy a stamp. This is not nice. Very rude.
No, we have, this is not root, sir. We have this, it comes in a 3 if you want to purchase. That's $1.65.
Or should I already spend $1.10? I would like a refund.
No, the stamps are final sale, so we don't return it.
Or you are very limited to what you are offering us.
Sir, you just asked for one stamp and didn't specify.
He did not give me choice and now he wants to get mad at me.
Now, that's a simple statement, that's not.
Okay.
That is not understandable, my friend.
So, here you go.
Thank you, 55 cents.
Thank
please.
you, yes, sir.
45 cents back.
Yeah, 55 cents is the stamp.
Okay, man. I appreciate you. Or shit. Or shit. Or this is horrible behavior. This is Anaheim post office.
Next in line?
Thank you. Thank you. I got 2 receipts now.
See this individual? Think he tough?
What did I tell you?
He says he come here and type turbo.
Or shit, he
When we
parking
just
like
ask for stamp choices.
doesn't understand we buy 2 stamp already. We spent 110 cents.
It's been violated twice.
And they didn't want to exchange the stamp. Can you get this on film, please? We need to document this. They did not give me choice when I buy first stamp. Here is the receipt for first stamp. They did not give me choice. They
Not tell you
only
that sale is final.
throw it at
Presume
me.
that you will know these.
They only throw it at me.
That is not right.
And then they tell me this is the only stamp you are available to get and magically appear when I pay 50. Oh shit. Oh shit.
This individual right here.
Thank you, my friend. How are you, my friend? Or very good, my friend. Looking for an interview. Would you like to give us one today? We're looking for an interview. Would you like to give us an interview today?
How did the post office treat you? How did these post office treat you?
I just dropped off my
Good customer service?
How many stars would you give customer service today, my friend?
out of 10.
Yes, sir.
Oh, only out of 5, my friend, please.
Oh, we switched it, yes.
The guy was kind of fast. 4.
Or shit. Oh, perfect, my friend. Do you not appreciate they give you tracking number? Will you ever track your package with tracking number?
I need to for this one.
Oh, very good, my friend. Very good. So they did provide tracking number for you today.
Right there.
Perfect, my friend.
We will go ahead
You
and
have
close
great
it
day.
down with the information. That way you go ahead and get it.
You are given 4 stars, correct, my friend?
Yes.
Oh, perfect, my friend. Thank you so much.
What is this? What are you guys doing?
This is individual
camera. This camcorder.
What is it for though?
Or we are taking survey for post office customer service today, my friend. Thank you so much. Beautiful.
Well, have a day.